For most people, insomnia or sleeplessness lasts only for a few days. However, in some cases, it can last for a long time. When insomnia lasts for a long time, it is known as chronic insomnia, and it can trigger a host of ailments and diseases. Do you wish to improve your sleep and defeat insomnia by seeking advice and inspiration from published scientific studies? Then you must watch this video till the end. In the year 2017, a paper published in Nature Genetics identified 7 genes related to insomnia. Although scientists are currently trying to figure out ways to address the genetic component associated with insomnia, in today's video, we will primarily focus on easy home-based solutions for sleeping better, faster, and longer. Besides staying away from gadgets that emit a blue light, not drinking coffee in the evening, not checking social media updates while lying on your bed, etc., there are a few other scientifically proven techniques that can make you fall asleep quickly. So let's begin. Tip number 1: daily aerobic exercise. A clinical study conducted by researchers from Northwestern University clearly shows that aerobic exercise can improve sleep even in patients suffering from chronic insomnia. Although you could exercise in the evening, just make sure you don't do it right before going to bed. Tip number 2: cognitive behavioral therapy. Nearly 60% of the patients suffering from acute insomnia experienced psychological relief and began sleeping well within a month's time after participating in a single, hour-long session on behavioral therapy. Within a period of 3 months, this number increased to 73%. Please contact a qualified mental health professional to learn more about behavioral therapy. It involves techniques that reinforce desirable or good behaviors and eliminate bad behaviors. Happy people always sleep well. Tip number 3: in order to sleep well, you must have a well-defined purpose in life. But what if you are doing almost nothing at the moment? Well, then you must think fast, act fast, and cultivate a legitimate purpose. For example, if you feel passionate about a positive activity, then go for it during the daytime to ensure a good night's sleep. Tip number 4: make sure you develop healthy relationships that make you feel secure in order to sleep well. People who feel lonely also find it difficult to sleep well, according to researchers from the University of Chicago. Tip number 5: a pediatric study showed a good association between sound sleep and the intake of omega-3 DHA. By the way, we all know that the consumption of omega-3 DHA is also associated with other known health benefits. So why not give it a shot? Tip number 6: a meta-analysis and systematic review of over 5,000 research studies showed that taking a warm bath 90 minutes before going to bed can help you fall asleep faster. Tip number 7: if you are obese or overweight, then losing weight by eating a high-protein diet can also help you sleep well, according to Purdue University researchers. Tip number 8: Japanese researchers have previously pointed out that milk induces sleep. Milk contains a high amount of tryptophan. Our body converts tryptophan into melatonin, and melatonin suppresses the activity of GABAergic neurons in the lateral hypothalamus. These neurons are responsible for wakefulness, and that's why drinking milk makes you fall asleep. Just make sure you don't drink it right before going to bed. You could have it with your evening dinner. Tip number 9: according to a published research study, sleeping and waking up consistently at the same time on all days, including weekends, is critical for ensuring consistent sleep. Tip number 10: meta-analysis performed by South Korean researchers shows a statistically significant association between aromatherapy-based massage and sound sleep. Similarly, having fun with yourself or with your partner in bed can also induce sleep. Tip number 11: sometimes an underlying medical condition can trigger insomnia. So make sure you get yourself tested to rule out this possibility. Tip number 12: pumpkin seeds contain plenty of magnesium, and research shows that magnesium is effective in inducing sound sleep. Tip number 13: by the way, e-cigarettes, alcohol, and tobacco are all able to massively destroy sleep. Therefore, one must always stay away from them. Tip number 14: research conducted on college students shows that avoiding naps can help you sleep better. Tip number 15. Lastly, laughing in the evening can also prime you for sound sleep, according to a report published by geriatric researchers from South Korea. Try following some or all of these scientific tips and let us know which one worked for you the most. Subscribe to Videonium for research updates that matter.